Hi and a warm welcome back to the Parkside workshop. My name is Philip and today we're taking a look at the 20-volt cordless angle grinder. The angle grinder is used for cutting, sanding, grinding or brushing a variety of materials such as metal, stone or wood. It can also be used for processing plastics, tiles and non-ferrous metals. Specific discs are designed for each specific application. This metal cutting disc is included in the scope of delivery and has an outer diameter of 125 millimeters. To loosen and assemble the disc, it's easy. Press the locking button and turn the disc until it clicks right into place. Adjust the safety guard into a position that ensures any sparks or detached parts won't strike you or any individuals standing above your work. The device has 6 speed levels that you can set using the speed control dial. Only begin working once the device has reached its maximum rotation speed. Moreover, you can process a wide range of other materials with the suitable discs. With the rasp disc, as the name suggests, you can rasp wood. This is particularly useful, for example, when you're working with damaged wood that needs to be smoothed out. With the flap sanding disc, you can do a fine sanding of the surface you've just rasped. Also, with the woodcut disc, you can remove tree bark, for example. With the diamond grinding disc, you can grind stone. Did you know just how incredibly versatile and powerful the 20-volt cordless angle grinder really is? Drop us a comment and tell everyone which disc you'll be trying out next. Go on, you got this.